As a Black woman with intersecting identities, it would be remiss of me to not highlight the injustices plaguing the Black community currently. If you would like to help fight against injustice, donate to the Minnesota Freedom Fund today. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. To those of you who liked and commented on my last video, thank you so much. To my new subscribers, welcome. I hope you like my channel and you find it a little bit entertaining. I do want to come up with a name for my subscribers. Like, you know how Beyonce has the Beehive? I kind of want something like that. I know it's corny. I don't care, but I think it's so cute. So if you guys have suggestions, comment down below and let me know what you think my subscribers should be called. Anyways, so today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my take on a traditional Jamaican breakfast. I made Ackee Callaloo, boiled dumpling, and boiled green banana. I don't put any saltfish in my ackee because I don't eat seafood. I know it's weird for a Jamaican living on the island not to like seafood, but I don't. I eat shrimp and some lobster depending on how it's prepared. But anyways, I don't have any background stories. I do want to tell you guys that ackee is a fruit and it's poisonous. So if you got fresh ackee, you would have to make sure you clean it properly, or else you could literally die if you don't clean it properly. I don't use fresh ackee. I use ackee from the can because that's all I have access to. And I use callaloo from the can, and you'll see. Oh, I did want to show you guys. I don't know if you guys are interested, but you can skip forward if you're not. Here's a video of my grandma cleaning some fresh ackee. Isn't she cute? Love you, grandma. Anyways, let's just jump right into the video and I'll show you guys how I make ackee and callaloo. So the first step is to start by preparing the dumplings and the green banana. I'm adding flour and a little bit of water, and then I'm going to mix it together. Oop, forgot the salt. I'm gonna mix everything together and then start to roll my dough. In the description box below, I list a YouTube channel that'll show you exactly how to make dumpling, either spinners or the round dumplings. So here I am kneading the dough, and I break off a little piece and I am rolling it. I go pretty quickly through this process, but as I mentioned, just check out the YouTube video. I left the link in the description box. Also, this is why you can't eat dumpling from everywhere, because you see how my fingers are all in the dough? You gotta make sure people's hands are clean. So this is what they should look like. Next, we prepared a green banana, and as you can see, I'm cutting off the ends and slicing them down the middle. And then I use a spoon to remove the skin because it's very tough. So the spoon helps to loosen it up, and then you can remove it easily. Then you put them in the boiling water and let the dumpling and the green banana boil for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Then you get your veggies ready. I have some onion, scallion, red pepper, green pepper. Then I start to prepare the ackee. I add those same veggies to the ackee. You want to make sure that once you drain the ackee from the can, that you rinse it off with cold water, because it comes in a salty brine, so you want to rinse that off. And then you gently will start to mix all the veggies in the pan, because the ackee comes cooked already and it's very soft and delicate. So when you're stirring everything together, you want to make sure you're going very slowly. And of course, I have my favorite seasoning, the vegetable seasoning. Then after that, I add a little bit of chicken seasoning. Trust me, it adds great salt component to the dish and kind of takes away from that bitter taste of the ackee. And so, as I said earlier, make sure that you are slowly mixing everything together because you don't want it to come out mushy. Lastly, we make the callaloo. This also comes in a can, so you have to make sure to drain the excess water that comes in it. You add all the seasonings. That was the vegetable seasoning, my favorite. You add the rest of the scallion and the red onion. And you also add pepper. You'll see me add that in a little bit. And then you stir it all together. The callaloo already comes cooked, so you don't have to cook it for a long time, so similar to the ackee. And then once you're done, this is what the plate should look like. Yay, you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, please. I have a goal of trying to get 1,000 subscribers. It's a lofty goal, but I know I can meet it and you can help me. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. I will pin my comment down below so that we can have a dialogue. You know, I like talking to you guys. So I'm serious. I really want to come up with something to call my new subscribers to join the Simply Sam Ray family. So don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions, and like this video if you liked it. Thank you guys. See you next time.